high dynamic range. It means HDR for the Honor 7 Pro. We can shoot HDR from wide angle lens, main lens, and the telephoto. How cool is that? And we also have available noise cancellation, which I'm gonna switch off now. It should sound a bit better. There's not too much noise, so we don't need it. So there you go. This is how it looks like. This is how it sounds like from the wide angle HDR. And if you want to go full brightness to your screen, directly to a sun, that's wow. That's the maximum brightness of your device. In HDR. Oh, I like the main lens. Look, nice. All right. So I think that's all I got for now. Just a quick video with high dynamic range for the Honor, link in the description. See you next video. Bye.